There is a complete consensus on 3 signs before the arrival of the Imam. Number 1, a global war. Number 2, the area of Sham taken over by an army led by a man named Uthman as-Sufyani. They follow the lineage of Bani Umayyah. They do that which Bani Umayyah and Abu Sufyan did. Number 3, Medina will be taken over for 3 days by the army of the Sufyani. Their last ruler, according to the books of the Muslimin, by the name of Abdullah, will be killed by his own people. There's going to be chaos. So the authorities seek the help of the Sufyani. He takes over Medina for 3 days. They kill every man from Bani Hashim. Then they find a man, his name is Muhammad, his father's name is Hassan. They crucify him in Masjid al-Nabi.